Hi everyone, I am Skin So Beautiful. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best facial mask that you should be using on your skin in 2020. I know masking is not an essential part of skincare routine, but I recommend it as an important part of skincare routine. But it should be chosen wisely according to your skin type, skin condition, preference, skin health, and according to your choice. Why I love face masks so much is that it offers additional benefit rather than your basic skincare routine. Different factors affect face mask. It could be traveling, it could be weather, it could be skin condition, it could be your skin type. Many things affect face mask. So face mask should not be something you have to use every day. It should be used 2 times or maximum 3 times a week. It all depends on the manufacturer and how it is instructed to be used. But I'll be taking you through the journey so you understand exactly what kind of face mask you should be using. You can use a face mask after flight, after workout, after the beach, or before a special event. This is why I love the Kiehl's turmeric cranberry face mask. We call this the party mask. A face mask can be changed as often as your skin needs. It's not something that you have to stick to all the time. For instance, I'm using a face mask for brightening. Maybe tomorrow my skin is breaking out, or I'm producing more oil because I have oily skin. I can reach out for a clay-based face mask, and after that I can reach out for something else. So face masks should be interchangeable, and I advise everyone to have, if you can afford, or if you can make your own face mask at home, I advise everyone to have at least 2 to 3 different types of face masks. Gel-based face mask is designed to hydrate, nourish the skin. It gives you a light feeling hydration. It's very light, it doesn't clog the pores, and it gives you this hydrating and cooling effect. Sometimes you can store this kind of face mask in the refrigerator overnight and use it. It really gives your skin this hydrating, cooling effect. The best face mask to reach out for if your skin is sensitive, dehydrated, or if you have a sunburn, it's a hydrating face mask. Usually they come in a clear container, very light. You can use them overnight, and you can use them for 10 to 15 minutes, and sometimes you can use them longer. It is usually the best and least sensitive to use, in my opinion, of all the face masks. Anyone can use this gel face mask, unlike other masks that is specifically tailored according to different skin types. I love gel face masks and avoid the ones that has fragrances. Fragrances are not really good for the skin. Kiehl's has this hydrating gel-based face mask. I really love it. It is called the calendula and aloe vera soothing hydrating face mask, and it is written that it is recommended for all skin types. I just said it right. I use this overnight. I leave it on my skin for 10 to 15 minutes until it's completely dry before I go to bed. And when I wake up, my skin is completely drenched in hydration. And when I wash off my face, it's like it may mix hyaluronic acid because it's really hydrated and well plumped. So this is what I love about it. Especially when I'm tired, I use it around my eyes. Hydrating gel face mask. I made it by myself. You guys know already how much I love DIY. And if you want to find out how I made this face mask, you can check me out on Instagram. By the way, follow me over there because I post a lot of things that you don't get to see here on YouTube. There are different kinds of face masks I readily available in the market today. But today I'm giving you an example from what I have used over the years, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. That really worked for me. So I'm not trying to sell any brand or promote any brand. I'm just trying to show you guys what I've been using that really works for me, and what I have as well recommended for other people that really worked well for them. So this is why I'm showing you all of this, and in real time I really use them and it really works well for me. Whenever I use any of this face mask, when I wash it off, instead of going ahead and applying moisturizer or serum or your skin treatment, first off I use a gel face mask, leave it on my skin for 10 to 15 minutes, wash it off before I proceed to applying serums, moisturizers, whatnot, every other time on your skin. And take these tips from me, you are forever going to be grateful you did this. Your skin is going to be readily available. to absorb all the nutritious benefit of your skincare products. You know what I'm saying? The next face mask we are talking about today is the clay-based face mask. Clay-based face masks come in 3 different varieties. You have the green clay, you have the white clay, and then you have the bentonite clay. The main benefit of a clay face mask is to draw out impurities, dirt, oil, detoxify your skin, purify your skin, and make your skin tight. Clay-based face masks are best for oily skin, normal skin, combination skin, clogged pores, sometimes acne-prone skin, but not severely blemished skin. In between, something like this. Clay-based face masks are very good in summer and hotter seasons, just like now, because our skin tends to be more clogged, impurities flying left, right, front and back. Our skin isn't looking that great, always sweating, producing excessive oil than usual. This is the best time to reach for a clay-based face mask. No skin type is exactly the same all year round. Avoid anything that is over drying and choose a face mask that is a little bit hydrating. Or instead of just going ahead and using a clay-based face mask, or what you can choose something very modern, because that tends to be softer, hydrating on your skin than a powdered face mask. Try adding glycerin on your clay-based face mask before directly putting it on your skin. Otherwise, it can be too drying and your skin will become dehydrated. This is an example of a mud mask on your face. It is called Super Mud Clearing Treatment. It detoxifies and purifies your skin without making your skin feeling overly dry and dehydrated, like I mentioned to you earlier. Now, this is a face mask from L'Oreal that I really love, but if you don't have an oily skin, make sure you don't use this because it can be a little bit dry. My skin is totally oily and glowy by nature. If you are using a clay mask or a mud mask that I'm not really used to, right after using this mask, try using a hydrating oil-free moisturizer on your skin. And then we have the European clay. I really like to use this. And then Aztec Indian clay. These are my best face masks. These are the best. I've used a lot in the past and I'm not new to using any of this. I'm a fan of face masks because it makes your skincare product work more faster and much more effective than it should be. So I love this. This face clay mask is so easy to dry and wash off. And I can do whatever I want with them. I can add glycerin, I can add apple cider vinegar, I can add aloe vera and make mine. But if you're not careful on how to mishmash this face mask, just buy what is readily available in the market. Use it according to the formulator's instructions. As a rule of thumb, do not leave your face mask on for longer than 30 minutes, even if there was no instruction written on the product packaging, which I believe all products have directions on how to use them. This is an example of a white clay face mask from Morocco. It is brightening, softening, and glowing the skin. I've not really used this that much, but a few times I used it, I loved it. That's why it's in my collections. I'm using this as an example of just a different type of face mask, so you have an idea of what I'm talking about in case you don't know, of which I know a lot of people already know. But for my friends who don't know, I hope this is really informative. Cream mask is usually formulated with emollients and oil, and it is a mask that is made to be used overnight on your skin. It is usually for dry skin, dehydrated skin, and can be used as anti-aging mask at nighttime before you go to bed. I know Kiehl's has one. It is called the Hibiscus Lifting and Firming Mask, although I don't have it in my home, but I hope you can see the picture here on the screen. It doesn't transfer into your sheets and it doesn't make your pillowcases or your bed dirty. Sometimes you can confuse them to be creams or moisturizers, but they're not. They are mask, intensive treatment. And this kind you can't use every day as well. Use them exactly the same way you use other masks. A still hydrating mask can be used as a cream mask on your face. It can be used for a few minutes and it can be used overnight on your skin. It is recommended to be used in winter. It's recommended for people who feel that their skin is really dry or dehydrated. It is recommended to be used after flight or in flight, just as the hydrating gel mask. So it all depends on what you need at that time. A sheet mask. I love sheet mask. Sheet mask. I think Koreans made sheet masks really trendy before it became a thing all over the world, or Asians as a whole. The main benefit of a sheet mask is to provide water-based hydration to your skin. To store sheet mask in a cool, dry place or to be stored in the fridge. After traveling, I like to use face mask on my face to really rehydrate my skin after evaporation must have occurred in a flight. Really good, handy, and it doesn't leave a mess on your skin. Just throw the sheet mask after use, or you can sometimes reuse them afterwards. It's really great. You can make yours at home and you can also buy. If you have sensitive skin, your skin is really selective on what to use, the best face mask to reach out for is a sheet mask. Exfoliating your skin before applying a face mask will make the skincare product push more deeper into your skin and work more effectively for your skin. So my advice is always exfoliate your skin before using a face mask, and try to do them both on the same day. Exfoliate, then use a face mask 2 to 3 times a use according to your skin. Always according to your skin, because if I recommend to you what I use on my skin, it might not be the same to you, so it can be unfair sometimes. So try to find out the tips and tricks on what work on your skin, but as a rule of thumb, face mask and exfoliator should not be used more than 3 times a week. If you are confused or you have a party, special occasion, and you don't want to spend all that money in the spa clinic and you want me to recommend something really vibrant that will make your skin glow all day at a special event, this is a must-have, and this is a must-have. I know this information might be basic to some people and it might be important to some other person, but however, I hope you guys took 1 or 2 informations out of this video and use it on your skin, because I love to see everyone glow. I love to see everyone looking radiant and beautiful, just like me. Before we go, if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscription button below and turn the notification button so you get notified. I mean, you are the first to get notified whenever I upload new videos here on Instagram. No. So you are the first to get notified whenever I upload new videos here on YouTube. In the meantime, stay beautiful always. Until next time.